በጃንዋሪ 12 2023 ጆን ስኪነር ፊሽንግ በተባለ ዩቲዩብ ቻናል ላይ አንድ አስደንጋጭ ቪዲዮ ተለቀቀ እና ይህንንም ቪዲዮ ጆን ምንም ሳይቆራረጥ ለቀቀው። ጆን ሪታን ቢች በተባለ ቦታ ላይ በካያክ በመሆን አሳ እያጠመደ ነበረ። በሚያጠምድበትም ሰዓት የአየሩ ሁኔታም አስቸጋሪ ነበረ። ገና ቪዲዮውን ስታዩትም የውሃው ሁኔታ አስተማማኝ አይመስልም። ከዛም ግን ከትንሽ ጊዜ በኋላ የከፋ ነገር ይከሰታል።
Oh my God.
Okay, some background here. This is not me in the kayak. A viewer sent me this, and it is the scariest piece of fishing video that I have ever watched. And the conditions, west-northwest wind 25 gusting to 40, air temperature 50 degrees, but the really critical thing here, water temperature 48 degrees. This is Raritan Bay, New Jersey. And that water temperature is critical because, you know what, in about 5 minutes, you're going to lose your ability to do anything with your hands, exhaustion or unconsciousness in 30 to 60 minutes, death in 1 to 3 hours. But he's out here early in the morning. The odds of being seen are very low.
በመጀመሪያ ጆን ተረጋግቶ እንዳለ እንረዳለን። እናም ትልቅ አሳ ማጥመድ ሲችልም ያስመለክተናል። ነገር ግን ከትንሽ ደቂቃ በኋላ የአየሩ ሁኔታ ተለወጠ፣ ሞገዱም ከፍተኛ ሆነ። በዚህም ሰዓት
Pays off. Come out when everyone else wants to.
All right, he told me he was not wearing a life jacket, so no PFD. He is wearing waders. Very bad in a kayak. The kayak itself it's just a basic department store kayak. This is not something that's going to give a lot of stability. This is just a bad situation. On top of that, he's incredibly distracted here. All he can think about, and he told me this, was getting the selfie. And so he's got to log into his phone. He's got to set up the self-timer. I can tell you I've edited out where he's logging into his phone, putting his code in and everything. And while he's doing that, he's not paying attention to the conditions. So I've communicated with this guy. He's not a jerk. He's not stupid. He knows exactly what he did wrong. He listed all the things to me that he did wrong. He knows. He wants other people to see this so that nobody else gets overly excited about the fishing and finds himself in the position that this guy's going to find himself in.
በድንገት አንድ ትልቅ ሞገድ መጥቶ ካያኩን ይመታዋል። በዚህም ጆን ወደ ቀዝቃዛ ውሃ ወደቀ። ጆን በሰዓቱ ላይፍ ጃኬት እንኳን አላደረገው ነበረ። ይህ ብቻ አይደለም፣ ዋኝቼ ልውጣ እንኳን ለማለት ከዳርቻው በጣም ርቆ ነበረ። በፈጣሪም ተአምር የባህር ዳርቻው ጋር የነበሩ ሰዎች ጆን ሲወድቅ አይተውት ስለነበረ እነሱም በፍጥነት እርዳታ ጠሩለት። የሕይወት አድን ቡድኖችም በቦታው ደርሰው ከውሃው በሰላም አውጥተውታል። ይህ ሰው በዚህ ቀዝቃዛ ውሃ ውስጥ ትንሽ ቢቆይ ኖሮ የዛሬው ታሪካችን አሳዛኝ መጨረሻ ይኖረው ነበረ። ተፈጥሮም በሰርፕራይዞች የተሞላች እንደሆነች በዚህ ቪዲዮ አሳይታናለች። በኤፕሪል 4 2023 ቦርድ ፓይሬት የተባለ ዩቲዩበር ከዚህ በፊት በሌሎች ተቀርጾ የማይታወቅ ነገር ቀርጾ ይለቃል። ይህም ዩቲዩበር እሳተ ገሞራ የሚገኝበት ቦታ እየሄደ ሲግላሶችን ይፈልግ ነበረ። ለዚህም ዩቲዩበር እነዚህ ጉዞዎቹና ተግባራቶቹ የተለመዱ ናቸው። ነገር ግን በዚህ ጉዞ ላይ ያጋጠመውን ነገር መቼም አይረሳውም።
Really slippery. These rocks are covered in algae and there's just sharp stuff everywhere. It's really dangerous going to landfills. But sometimes they're gold mines. Oh man, that backhoe just covered me in fire. Oh, that sucked. Didn't know if I was gonna make it out of that one. Wow, I got a little filthy. Like I said, it's a dangerous job, but somebody's got to do it. Let's see if we can find some sea glass. Hey goats or sheep. Yeah, man. Yeah. I'm just covered in soot. Had to hold my breath for a minute there. Oh man, so much in my eyes.
በድንገት ትልቅ የእሳተ ገሞራ አመድ እላዩ ላይ ተደፋበት። ለሰከንዶችም የካሜራው ስክሪን ተሸፈነ። ወዲያው ግን ዩቲዩበሩ በጥቁር አመድ ተሞልቶ ተመለሰ። ምንምም ጉዳት አልደረሰበትም ነበረ። ይህ ዩቲዩበር ይህ ነገር ካጋጠሙ በኋላም ሲግላሶቹን ወደ መፈለጉ ነበር የተመለሰው። ይህም ቪዲዮ ባላሰብነውና ባልጠበቅነው ቦታና ሁኔታ ዱብዳ ሊመጣብን እንደሚችል ማሳያ ነው። በጁላይ 6 2025 YBS ያንግ ብለድስ የተባለ ዩቲዩበር አሳ ላጥምድ ሲል ያጋጠመውን አስደንጋጭ አጋጣሚ በዩቲዩብ ላይ ለቀቀው። በቪዲዮ ላይ አውስትራሊያ የሚገኝ የባህር ዳርቻ ላይ በመሆን መርዛማ የሆኑ የአሳ ዝርያዎችን ያለምንም መሳሪያ በእጁ ለመያዝ ነበር የመጣው። ቪዲዮም ሲጀምር ዩቲዩበሩና ውሻው አብረው ሲደሰቱ እንመለከታለን። ነገር ግን ያላወቀው ነገር ከዚህ በኋላ የሚያጋጥመው ነገር የከፋ እንደሆነ ነው።
Is absolutely rushing out right now, and I'm on a little bit of a mission. I've been camping for the last couple of days, and it's time to get a feed. But to give myself an extra challenge, I'm actually after a venomous species of fish, using my bare hands to catch it. That was right. Stay there. I gotcha. Oh! Oh! Oh, get her! Go! Get her! Where'd it go? Good girl. Box it in. Box it in. Ooh. This could be lunch. Where'd it go, Strider? Good girl. So Strider doesn't actually hurt the fish. She just rounds it up for me because we don't know whether it's a perfect size to eat or what yet. So to be selective and sustainable, pretty much the best so using bare hands because you can't hurt the fish. We need to see what it was. It was quick. I didn't get a good look. Oh, there it is. What is it? I think it could be a cod or a grouper. Look, right there. Oh my God. Gropers and cods, they're not venomous, but they're full of bacteria. They got all these razor sharp spines along their back and on their sides. It's see how we go. Ah, he bit me! Ah! 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 There he goes. Oh man, he got me a few times.
ዩቲዩበሩ መርዛማውን አሳ ከአንድ ነገር ስር ሆኖ ተመለከተው። እሱም እጁን በማስገባት ሊይዘው ሲሞክር አሳው በተደጋጋሚ ሲነክሰው ይታያል። እሱ ግን ምንም እንዳልተፈጠረ ሲስቅ ይታያል። እና ይህ ዩቲዩበር ይህንን አሳ የመያዝ ቻሌንጁን እንዳልጨረሰ ስለተሰማው ሌሎች መርዛማ አሳዎች ይገኙበታል ብሎ ወደሚያስበው ቦታ ይሄዳል። ነገር ግን ይህ ውሳኔ እድሜ ልኩን የሚቆጨው ሆነ።
You've been bit by something, eh? Just wanted to quickly check, but that's actually a scar. He should be, I don't know what he's up to. I don't want to interfere with him too much. I'm not sure why he wanted to go all the way up on the shore. Are you alright? Very strange behaviour, man. It's like he's sick or something. Come on, bud. There you go. There you go. I've never had anything like this happen to me before. I don't know what's wrong with him, but it's a beautiful, beautiful pufferfish. Big Norwest blue or something. But yeah, man, I don't want to get anywhere near those chompers. I'll take my finger off, but oh, there he goes. Did he just come to say hello? What the hell just happened? Yeah, he's fine. He's off. It must have just got like a. That was so strange. He comes straight in onto the shore. Is that a hunting technique? He's back into the bowl of fish. At this stage, I honestly thought he was just wanting to be my friend. I can't see what you guys are seeing right now underwater, but I'd seen that face before a few months ago when that big guy was eating the other pufferfish. And I can tell you right now that he was not friendly. This athlete's fully having a crack at me now. From friend to enemy. Oh! 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 Holy shit! Oh, I wasn't looking, I was looking the other way and he full got me. Oh! Oh! That's really bad. Oh! Oh! It was so fast! I deserve that! I'm not mad at him! Oh, I gotta go to the hospital. Ha! Ah! Ah, that's bad! That's really bad. Oh my God, I don't think I have a finger anymore. I actually think he bit half my finger off. I just looked away for 5 seconds. Beep, 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 beep. Welcome back to a... Hello, everyone. Oh man, that's terrible, eh?
በድንገት ይህ ፓፈርፊሽ የተባለ አሳ የዚህን ዩቲዩበር ግማሽ ጣት በላለት። ዩቲዩበሩም በድንጋጤ ለአባቱ ደውሎ ወደ ሆስፒታል ሊወሰድ ተችሏል። ዶክተሮችም ከአሳው ተገምጦ የተረፈውን ጣት ሕክምና አድርገውለታል። አስቡት፣ ይህ ዩቲዩበር በመጀመሪያው አሳ እንደተነከሰ ቢያውቁም ለዚህ ነገር አይበቃም ነበረ። ስለዚህም ይህ ታሪክ ውሃ ላይ የሚኖሩ የትኛዎቹም እንስሳዎች ሊታመኑ እንደማይችሉ ያሳየናል። ዩቲዩበሩም ይህችን አጋጣሚ በሕይወት ዘመኑ እንደማይረሳው ተናግሯል።